Let's talk about DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
Bot launched by the Chinese firm DeepSeek.
China's DeepSeek has shaken Silicon Valley to its core, delivering a seismic shock to the tech world by releasing an AI model that rivals the titans of the West. DeepSeek R1, an open-source large language model, has not only matched but, in some cases, surpassed the capabilities of OpenAI's GPT-4 and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 in key benchmarks, all while being developed on a shoestring budget of $6 million. How has a startup from Hangzhou, armed with limited resources and stifled by U.S. chip sanctions, managed to pull off what seemed impossible?
The release of DeepSeek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on competing to win, because we have the greatest scientists in the world. Even Chinese leadership told me that.
But what is DeepSeek? DeepSeek is a Chinese artificial intelligence company that develops large open-source language models. Basically, China's answer to ChatGPT. This free app is available on the App Store, where DeepSeek says it is designed to answer your questions and enhance your life efficiently. Released less than 2 years after the company was founded, DeepSeek R1 is the most downloaded app on the Apple App Store, instantly catapulting the once unknown Chinese startup into global headlines. The audacity of DeepSeek's rise has rattled the stock market, sending NVIDIA's market capitalization plummeting by nearly $600 billion in a single day, with other tech giants like Microsoft, Alphabet, and Broadcom also suffering sharp losses. With Silicon Valley's sense of AI dominance built on an illusion of invincibility. DeepSeek's creator, Lian Wenfeng, has become an unlikely disruptor, proving that the development of groundbreaking AI doesn't necessarily require sky-high budgets or access to the world's most advanced chips. Lian, a serial entrepreneur with a hedge fund on the side, relied on NVIDIA 100 GPUs he purchased years ago, hardware that many in the US would now consider outdated. Does this mean that Silicon Valley's obsession with high-end chips and massive infrastructure is not the silver bullet it once seemed? Adding to the controversy, Mark Andreessen, a prominent venture capitalist, called DeepSeek's release AI's Sputnik moment, a stark comparison to the Soviet Union's shock launch of the first artificial satellite in 1957. Andreessen's words cut deep into Silicon Valley, raising fears that U.S. tech firms may no longer hold the upper hand in the global AI race. If a startup with less than $10 million in development costs can rival multi-billion-dollar tech empires, what does this say about the future of AI dominance? President Donald Trump, who recently unveiled a $500 billion AI initiative led by OpenAI, Oracle, and SoftBank.
A new American company that will invest $500 billion at least in AI infrastructure in the United States and very quickly, moving very rapidly, creating over 100,000 Americans.
Wasted no time in framing DeepSeek as a wake-up call for the U.S. industry. He said DeepSeek was a lesson that America cannot afford to lose focus and must compete to win, signaling a growing urgency to bolster U.S. efforts to counter China's AI ambitions. But will the U.S. government's strategy of choking China's access to advanced chips backfire, given that DeepSeek has shown resourceful ways around such restrictions? But why has DeepSeek shocked OpenAI and Silicon Valley so deeply? First and foremost, no one expected such a technology to come out of China because Washington banned NVIDIA from exporting its most powerful chips to China to ensure that they could not develop something like this. DeepSeek's founder, however, found a way around this trade restriction. He bought enough NVIDIA 100 GPUs for his hobby years ago, which he can now use. DeepSeek's emergence therefore underscores a glaring irony. The very sanctions meant to hobble Chinese AI development may have inadvertently fostered innovation. Deprived of access to NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs, Chinese AI companies, including DeepSeek, have had to innovate their way around constraints, developing methods to optimize the performance of limited hardware. Does this mean sanctions have only strengthened China's resolve and ingenuity? Furthermore, DeepSeek's ability to rival, and in some cases outperform, OpenAI's models on such a limited budget has sparked existential questions about Silicon Valley's approach. Today, with 670 billion parameters, DeepSeek is the largest open-source large language model to date, and its creators claim it excels in mathematics, coding, and reasoning. And they were able to achieve all this on a $6 million shoestring budget compared to the billions of dollars Silicon Valley has thrown towards AI development. DeepSeek's success has exposed vulnerabilities in the West's AI strategy. For years, U.S. dominance in AI was underpinned by assumptions of unrivaled financial power and access to top global talent. But DeepSeek has shown that ingenuity and resourcefulness can outshine brute force spending. Is it time for Silicon Valley to rethink its strategy of pouring endless billions into AI development? While OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has admitted that DeepSeek R1 is impressive, he remains defiant, promising the release of OpenAI's latest reasoning model, O3 Mini, within weeks. But can OpenAI and its Western counterparts reclaim the narrative, or has DeepSeek permanently altered the trajectory of global AI competition? The fallout from DeepSeek's debut is already rippling across the world. European chip equipment makers like ASML have also felt the shockwave, with share prices plunging amid fears that the market is overestimating the value of Western AI hardware. The question now looms: is the era of Silicon Valley's unchecked dominance in AI coming to an end? DeepSeek's rise also carries geopolitical implications, with AI increasingly viewed as a cornerstone of national power. China's success with DeepSeek will undoubtedly embolden Beijing's ambitions to compete on a global stage. If a single startup can achieve this, what could China accomplish with full government backing? As the dust settles, one thing is clear: the AI race has entered uncharted territory. DeepSeek's ability to rival, and in some cases, outperform, models developed by tech giants with vastly greater resources is a testament to what's possible when creativity meets necessity. Despite sanctions, despite limited budgets, and despite being written off as a serious competitor, DeepSeek has redefined what is achievable in AI. The fact that China has pulled this off, circumventing US sanctions and doing so at a fraction of the cost of its rivals, is nothing short of extraordinary. DeepSeek is more than just a technological triumph. It's a geopolitical statement, a challenge to the established order. The AI race just got a lot more interesting, and as the battle heats up, one question lingers: what comes next? Your perspective matters. Do you think China is winning the AI race with DeepSeek? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments section below. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the New Africa channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative future videos. Stay informed, stay engaged, and thank you for watching.